Hey guys, my name is Bree and I'm your choreographer for this year's Knights of North Castle music videos. Right now we're about to learn the dance for Be Strong in the Lord. Just a friendly reminder to always mirror me. Alright you guys, so this song is pretty complicated. There are going to be so many things going on in this one specific video. It's going to feel maybe a little chaotic when you're trying to learn it because you don't know, am I supposed to be doing this part or this part or this part? There's about 3 different parts, but trust me, it'll all make sense once we actually get to rehearsal. Right now it is important for you to know all 3 parts, just so when I'm starting to pick people and put people here and move people around, you know what you are doing regardless of where I put you, all right? We'll go ahead and start with the really simple part first, all right? So we have be strong, all right? So your right arm is higher than your left arm. So we go be strong in the Lord, in the strength, boom, left, of his power, right, and then back. Be strong in the Lord and in his mighty power. Boom. Be strong in the Lord, in the strength of his power. Be strong in the Lord and in his mighty power. All right, time for our other simple part. So we're just gonna do be strong, okay? So there are 2 parts to this. I'm gonna split a couple of you guys in half and it's going to be strong, and then the other half of you is then going to step forward, be strong, okay? Again, it might not make sense in this video right now. It'll all make sense later, I promise. All you have to remember is on the be strong, you are going to be hitting a be strong, all right? This is where things get slightly more complicated, okay? A couple times we're gonna be doing fake drums. All right, so we're gonna hit it bum, 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 hey, bum, 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 hey, bum, 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 hey, bum, 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 hey, okay? So you guys are just gonna be going crazy all over the place, and the other half of you on the hays are gonna be shouting hey, okay? So you're gonna kind of be running to your next spot, bum, 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 hey, bum, 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 hey, bum, 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 hey, bum, 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 hey. All right, again, it doesn't really matter where you go, it's gonna look super chaotic, but it's also gonna look super fun, all right? So when you're practicing your song, make sure you practice both. Practice hitting your drums and practice your hays. All right, now we move on to a slightly more complicated part. You guys are going to be doing the do-si-do throughout this video too. I know it's gonna get really confusing, just follow me, all right? So I don't have my partner, John, to be helping me dance right now. So I'm just gonna be doing it by myself and it's gonna be totally fine, all right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my arms behind my back and I'm gonna start skipping in a figure 8, all right? So I'm gonna go this way, this way, this way, this way, cross, this way, this way, this way, this way, and I'm back in front, all right? So you guys are gonna be switching and linking arms. As you do this, we will practice rehearsal. Just know you will be do-si-doing. So when you see me start randomly skipping around in a figure 8 pattern and you're like, what is she doing? You will be, don't worry, you'll have a partner. It won't look so weird for you. So the last final bit of this is Irish dancing, okay you guys? I promise this is not as complicated as it may look. All right, so this is super simple. We're just gonna put our hands behind our back and we're gonna start with your left foot and you're gonna go heel, toe, heel, and back. Switch, heel, toe, heel, and back. All right, this time when you do it, you're gonna jump. So start with your left foot, and you can take your heel first, heel, toe, heel, and back, heel, toe, heel, and back, heel, toe, heel, and back, heel, toe, heel, and back. And trust me, after about 2 minutes of jumping like this, your calves are gonna start to feel like they're on fire, and that's totally fine, all right? So just make sure that you practice this a lot so that way when shoot day comes and you're having to do it for like 10, 20 minutes, you are already used to it and it doesn't even bother you, all right? So just make sure you are practicing this and giving your calves a nice workout, all right? And that's basically it, you guys. Again, it's going to look maybe a little confusing when you watch this video right now because I'm gonna be running around trying to do like 5 different parts, but it's all good. Just make sure you know each part, and in rehearsal, it'll all make sense. It'll all make sense. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and try this.
Feels like hope is gone. Be strong, be strong. I'll keep on keeping on and be strong in the Lord. Be strong in the Lord, in the strength of his power. Be strong in the Lord and in his if you can.